camera just doesn't want to stay here. Whatever. Anyway, welcome to my channel. For a while, it's been a lot of videos with a lot of technical stuff. I know it's kind of boring sometimes. Car is tuned, obviously I'm in it. And now starting today, we're gonna do more driving, tuning, and the light kind of stuff, you know, just small little modifications. I'm sorry, AC is not working. I don't know if it lost some refrigerant or what, so I bought the refiller. We're just gonna go home and refill it. We'll make a video about that. And so all the windows are open, so if it's loud and just sorry. So there you go. New clutch, so little touchy, so excuse me. It's hard to explain, but car has so much power that the boost builds really quick that it's really hard to keep it light foot. It's almost impossible. I mean, you're trying to go very light on the pedal, and as soon as you touch it, it just goes. So boy, she just wants to go, I'm telling you. Okay, so let's recharge AC, because this guy is not working very well. So let's just pop the hood open. Read the instruction. Low pressure port, which is located like right there, right next to the turbo, and it's hot as heck to even put your hand in there. I'm gonna try to put you guys on the thing in here and watch me. Alright, so it's in blue. Good. So we're just good to disconnect and see if it's blowing. See if it's blowing nice and cold here. Oh yeah, we're good. She wants to go, guys. She wants to go. Okay guys, what's going on today? Today is 100-mile break-in Then we're gonna fill up with the new oil and take it for a drive. Bring you closer. So not much on the bottom. I see some particles. That's just, I don't see metal shavings or anything heavy. Whatever particles we saw in the oil, it's normal. It's just the braking process. That's when the rings are going against the cylinder walls and taking off, and some of that. I don't see any chunks. I don't see any like a sand grain kind of chunks of steel. It's all good news right here. That's it. I think we're good. We're just gonna go for a quick drive, 5 minutes. This is it. I mean, we're gonna wrap this episode up for now, because changed the oil, drove around, you guys saw the car. In the next video, where my fuel pump is en route, so we will see the fuel pump tomorrow. We're gonna be installing it, and on Friday we get a radiator. This radiator, the stock radiator, is not keeping up with the temps. The temps are always in 200s. Low 200s, so we're gonna install Mishimoto, brand new Mishimoto radiator. So next episode, fuel pump, radiator, we're doing a data logging, sending it file to my tuner so he can do some corrections, because I didn't want to send it on a stock pump. Stock pump's gonna, it's not giving enough fuel at the top, so I don't even want to push it that far. So anyway, so if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much.